The main safety feature throughout the cooker range is the patented double push and turn mechanism, which was inspired by a child-safe medicine bottle. To dispense the boiling water, you need to push-turn the bezel. This prevents children and people who have never seen a cooker before from accidentally dispensing boiling water. All cooker taps dispense boiling water in a patented aerated flow. If the boiling water was dispensed in a concentrated stream like the regular hot or cold and you accidentally caught your hand underneath the stream of boiling water, this would result in a burn. A cooker injects air into the stream when the boiling water is being dispensed. This means that if the water touches your skin, it won't result in a burn as you withdraw your hand. All cookers have a double insulated spout. This means that even though the spout dispenses boiling water, it will always be cool to the touch. 2 chambers run through every cooker spout. The central chamber is insulated and is solely used to dispense boiling water. And the outer insulated chamber only delivers regular hot and cold water. If you're dispensing boiling water and you change straight to cold, there is no runoff of boiling water. The flex tap also has the added safety feature of an automatic cutoff. If you're dispensing boiling water and pull the hose out, the water will shut off immediately. With a cooker, there is no risk of it being pulled over as it's mounted at the back of the sink, making it the safest choice for every household.